Today I'm going to show you how to add your SeceuroGlide Roller Garage Door to the Somfy TaHoma or Connectivity Kit Smart System. This will enable you to control the garage door from the app wherever you are in the world, as well as linking it to smart speakers such as Alexa. First thing we're going to do is add the Roller Garage Door to the app. We need to remove the front cover by taking the screw out the bottom and taking the front cover off like so. We then come to the Somfy TaHoma app on the home page here, starting with Add an Equipment. Scrolling down to the Access part, Somfy, Garage Doors, Vertical Garage Door, and then scrolling down until you find the Rollixo Premium IO. It will then ask you to confirm that you have photocells fitted to the door. Press and hold the Program button for approximately 2 seconds until the light illuminates. Then click Next on the TaHoma app until it starts to search for your Rollixo. You can now control your garage door, courtesy light and auxiliary ports all from the app. Simply pressing the item you want to control, such as the garage door, and clicking Open. You can also see the real-time status of the door to see if it's open or closed using the icon at the top of the app. You're now able to use voice assistants to control your garage door. As an example, linking Alexa to the TaHoma, which allows you to simply say, "Alexa, close my garage door."